a day that was supposed to be incredibly relaxing, I feel exhausted. We just wanted to go to the beach. That's it. We just wanted to go to the beach and have a nice time. And we did. I will tell you, we had a nice time, but the effort it took just to get our stuff together. You think we were sitting there for months, for weeks even. I swear we took the kitchen sink. I mean, I took my lip balm, my deodorant, my headphones. For what, Daphne? You have beach noises. Anyways, but in order to enjoy this day without having to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and all that nonsense, we said, you know what? Let's go the way of the Subway. And just like everything else, there's an app for that. Okay? I'm hip. I use the app. I don't like to make all those phone calls and tell them the 1,500 toppings. So I get all of these orders for like 7 sub sandwiches, and I put it all in the app, and I place the order, and we go to pick it up. This man said, I'm sorry, we didn't get your order. Are you serious, Carl? I literally called you, and you said you would start making the sandwiches, but when I show up, you suddenly just don't have the bread? You don't have the lettuce? I'm just kidding. They had all of that, but they didn't have my order. So we have to talk to the manager. We have to get everything voided, and then they start making the sandwiches. But before they made the sandwiches, Mr. Dingo over here had to organize the cheese! If I wanted to grow a garden and milk my own cows in order to make these sandwiches, I would have planned ahead, okay? Like, I know I can save 15% or more on car insurance, but can I save 15 minutes on my beach day, please? So after all of that, we eventually get all of our sandwiches, we get back in the car, and we're driving, and we get to see horses. We get to see people riding bicycles by the horses like it's just a regular day occurrence. And well, not me, my aunt, she saw a snake on the beach. Like, are you welcomed here? You're not even a flipping water moccasin. So she runs back from the bathroom, paranoid. She came to the beach to relax, and instead she was met with her worst nightmare. Me, on the other hand, I am just enjoying the waves, the salt water that is ripping the back of my throat, the sun that is scorching my very white skin, and I am having really the time of my life. These ding-dongs, well, so I called them, were beside us fishing. They're wading out into the ocean with these large fishing poles like they're about to catch a great whale. And I'm just like, they're not going to catch anything. Like, who in the world does that? This guy pulled in a shark. A shark! I'm not trying to be another Bethany Hamilton. Like, I love my arms. Okay? She's like one of my greatest inspirations, so that's not a diss. Anyways, I run over there with my camera. I take a video. I pet it. Pet the shark. Like, what is this, a petting zoo? But right when I thought this might be a petting zoo, you guess what I see on the beach? A jellyfish. Jellyfish are like my spirit animals, and I'm flipping out because I'm like, this thing probably can't breathe, clearly, because it's rolled up on the beach. So I'm trying to get up this whole entire plan of how I'm going to save this poor creature. I'm about to get a sand shovel, toss it back in there. This 7-year-old girl waltzes herself up next to me, looks down at it, picks it up with her bare hands, and walks away. I was so shook I had no words. I was embarrassed. I wasn't about to pick it up. I love jellyfish, but I'm not trying to get my fingers zapped off. Just continue strolling down the beach like every other human being, and lo and behold, there's like 300 plus more of these little jellyfishes just sitting on beach without their tentacles. And there's all these little children running along, including my niece, just picking up. I found another one. So this is the day and age that we're living in, where our children roam the beaches and pick up leftover servings of jellyfish? Well, darn, I should have brought my freaking chopsticks because this just became a seafood buffet. You spend $20 to get through the gate and you got crab legs, you got jellyfish, you have shark, you have snake. I'm pretty sure that next time there's going to be little sushi rolls rolling up on the beach in the next wave. If I wasn't a vegetarian, I would have forgot the sub sandwiches and just feasted at the beach. So after we leave the beach, right, I'm here like, you know what, we are tired, we are sunburnt, we are out of energy, so let's get Papa John's. Good old Papa John's coupons be coming through my email and tempting me like every other day sin, and I just decided that that was the thing we're going to go with today. So I go on, the app, and try to place my orders, and you know what? Every order that I placed got canceled out of my cart. I'm sorry, but this is expired. So I called Becky. I don't actually know her name, but the girl at Papa John's, and she tells me that they have a new manager, and he's decided that they're not going to give any coupons or deals. That seemed like a good idea, Larry. It's Labor Day weekend, and people are just having the times of their life. And you know what they're probably going to want to eat? Pizza. But not for $25 for a medium pizza, sir. No, we want the deal. We want the 3-topping, 3 large pizzas for $35, but that's not available here. So we decided to just hit our little selves home and eat salad. I haven't eaten yet because you know what? I'm not a really huge fan of salad when I've had a long day and I'm just craving some cheese. Next time, maybe I'll just lay by the pool, eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and just call it a life because I am exhausted. One time a year beach thing is good.